What if I told you you could invest in a coin which is basically like investing in GALA before it blew up? What would you say? Would you want to know about that coin? Well, let me show you. What's up guys, my name is Aaron and welcome to Yet's Crypto. Hope all of you are doing well out there. And if you're new to the channel, we review crypto coins all the time, and I'm going to sift through all the good ones, the bad ones, and we're going to do all that together. So subscribe if you're on this journey and you want to be part of that as well. But today, let's not wait around. Let's get into the beast of a coin. The coin is called Games for a Living, right there. And if you haven't heard of it, well, you might not ever forget it after this, okay? So let's not wait around any longer with the mumbo jumbo. Let's get straight in and I'll show you the project. Okay, so here we are guys. So the rank is currently 1021 and it is not even a penny yet, right? Not even 1 penny. And yes, look, we are talking about a market cap of 4 million currently, so not many people know about this coin at all. It's only been out not long, so we have been out since April, literally like a month maybe, right? So you know, that's not long at all. So yeah, very early on. Okay, we've got a circulating supply of 460 million. And the token is actually called GFAL. So remember that. So yeah, let's actually get into the nitty gritty of this and the website and all that, and I'll show you why this is a beast. So here we are. Welcome to Games for a Living, brought to you by the gaming industry leaders. Okay, so maybe you think this is just a title, but I will show you why. Yes, it is industry leading. Okay, and it's small. Latest news. So Samsung Galaxy Store launch. So they're going to launch on that. The pre-sale obviously sold out. So you've got 2 games. So you've got a game called Element Raiders, nice little animation here. Diamond Dreams. So you've got, if you can actually look at this, I'll give you a little overview on it. So look, we got Element Raiders. Okay, cool, looks really good, right? So obviously we've got some cool little bits what they're doing. So this is the first game they're releasing, but you know, that is just one game, right? And we've got Diamond Dreams, which doesn't seem to be actually out yet, little teaser. So yeah, that's something that they're working on, a little bit like Candy Crush type of thing, what it seems. So what are they actually doing? So solving the reach issue, we create original IP gaming experience that are available across multiple platforms. So cross-platform, developing games for PC, console with strong emphasis on mobile platforms. Really good to see because everything's on mobile with gaming these days, right? So bridging the gap. Games are also released in Web 2 versions, so they're catering for Web 3 and Web 2. Really good. And then solving the accessibility issue. We are building the games for a living network which makes blockchain features accessible to everyone. And that is literally one of the biggest problems with crypto, right? And blockchain. We need to just enable everyone to be able to use it. So how do they do that? It's simple and secure login, easy cash in and easy cash out, one ecosystem token. So that's the token you need only. Tax management from that as well. So here's some of the little things. So we've got Chronos, I'm pretty sure is crypto.com. And then you've got Unix, you've got different venture capital people behind this. But yeah, so this is their roadmap, and obviously it started on Q1 2022. And obviously these are the things they have completed. So you've got the ICO and all that stuff. They've done some NFT drops already. And they have got the Element Raiders release. So they've done the first game, the ICO pre-sale, and that leads us to where we are. So we've got Element Raiders, that game I just showed you, on mobile, on iOS and Android. So that will come out, and obviously you can have a blockchain game on that. And then you've got the PC as well. And then Q3 2023, Diamond Dreams will be on mobile and PC alpha, so that you can expect that in Q3 2023. So also they've got game tools that they are looking to drop. So you've got Web3 game tools, so developer portals, games for a living ID, you can have games for a living wallet, you're also going to have tokens and NFT creation, game analytics, live events. So this is all the stuff they're planning to do. So yeah, it's very promising, right? And then you've got a marketplace as well, which will be available, and it's safe, secure, verified online portal, fraud protection and customer support. So where can you buy GFAL? So you can get on Mexi Global, BitGet, and obviously some other ones as well. So pretty easy to pick up. What is the GFL token? So the Games for a Living token, that's what it's called, is a utility token used on our network and games. This means that all transactions in our marketplace are executed using GFAL. GFAL is also basis of the governance of the Games for a Living network and games. So yeah, it's integrated in their games. How can you use it? So it's for the players, for the game developers, and also for governance. And yeah, the underlying technologies, yep, on a smart contract, and it gives it a technology audit by Hacken.io, so it's audited as well. Really good to know. So here's the distribution of the token, and we're obviously looking for decentralization, and yes, this looks pretty decentralized from what I can see. So yeah, a very good sign as well. So obviously that's all the cool bits, but you might be thinking, well, why is this so much different from any other project? Well, let me get into the juicy bits, all right? So I've only just shown you the nice cool bits. Let's get into the real juice behind this project. Let's do it. Okay, so I'm going to show you right now why this is absolute gem. Okay, so here we are, and we're looking at the team, so the management behind it, and we've got the CEO, CSO, art director, and a whole bunch of people behind this, right? So just looking at this, you've got external people like contractors, you've got the team members, and yeah, but what we really want to look at is the all-stars behind this. Okay, so we've got Manel Sort. Let's really check him out real quick. So who is Manel Sort? He is the founder and co-founder right now of GFL, obviously, okay, and he's doing that as a full-time position. But look, he used to be first vice president of Blizzard Games and then also King Games. Okay, so Blizzard and King are absolute beasts of projects, right, and beasts of games. So if you don't know what that is, that's Candy Crush. So literally he used to be involved in Candy Crush. That is absolutely amazing. And in terms of mobile apps and games, you know, there's probably no other better ones than that, right? So then we go back to Trip Hawkins right here, the CSO. So what is good about him? So here you go, Tim Hawkins, and founder and first CEO of what? Electronic Arts EA Games. Okay, that was FIFA. That was like all the NBA games. Just like so many games on EA, right? So, you know, he's a founder of a whole industry. So this guy is an absolute beast. Yeah, you can see that on his LinkedIn right here. So he was the founder and CEO, the first one. So he created it. And he's been an advisor for loads of different places before. And he's professor. So yeah, he's someone to watch. I wouldn't sleep on him. And yeah, he went to Harvard University and Stanford University. Amazing, right? So the next in the line, we are talking about art director Javier Leon. And Javier Leon has worked at a CGI, an artist director for Netflix. So, you know, with all this team right here, they're all from good stuff. All from good stuff. So I did tell you, right, if you waited this long in the video to find this out, then look, I gave you a little golden gem right here. And it's low in cap. This is literally the next GALA Games. GALA Games started out with just a strong team. And obviously that became GALA. And it's got a crazy market cap and it's done really well, right? So that being said, we think this is the next GALA Games. Then can we get to GALA Games market cap? And what price would we get if we was to get to that? Let's check it out. So as we know, we have a market cap currently of 4 million, which is absolute peanuts, all right? And obviously if we're looking at GALA, we currently have a 216 million market cap. So, you know, just on it where it currently is, we are looking at, so if we want to get to, let's say towards this, so say we do 53 times, so there you go, 212 million, very close, right? So we're talking about 53 to 54x just to get here. And just bear in mind, this is a bear market, okay? We are not in some full-on bull market right now. We're just the start of it potentially, right? So these numbers are nothing. So where we want to really look is where do we get in a bull market? So for example, we got to nearly 5 billion 389. So we're going to say 5.4 billion. What happens if GLFA gets to 5.4 billion? Let's quickly have a little try and get to that. Okay, so that's way over 1,000x. So just try and get to that. So we'll do 4 times by 1,350 or something, 1,350, and we'll see what we get. There you go, 5.4. Okay, so this will be 5 billion 400 million. So, and that is the market cap of GALA, and that means we would have 1,350x on that coin. Not a joke, okay? So what do you think? 1,350x, crazy, right? I mean, this one right here is amazing. I've got a shout out to my subscribers for pointing this one out, and yeah, keep them coming, guys, because we can review these together and obviously find the best projects in this bear market. And when 2025 hits, we'll be ready. All right, we'll be absolutely ready for this. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe, because I review all these different altcoins, and together we're going to try and find the best gems while we can, while things are low. So obviously we want to buy low and sell high. That's our game, and we're early adopters in this game right now because not many people are around right now, and that's fine. That's good for us. We can just keep buying these little altcoins and people don't know about. That's perfect. When people know about it, you know, we sell. If you like this altcoin, then you should definitely check out this altcoin right here, because this is also an absolute beast. And if you just like to see these type of reviews, then check out these videos right here, and you can see my whole collection, and hopefully you'll like them. But if I don't see you, I'll see you at the top. Bam.